How to set up shipping and delivery. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to set up the shipping and delivery for your online store here on the Shopify platform. So what you do here is that on the left side panel of the screen, all you have to do is to go on the lowermost part, then click on settings. From settings, you just need to go on to shipping and delivery. That's just right below the customer accounts. When you click on it, you just need to fill out the information here on the account. For example, for shipping, what are the rates for domestic and international shipping here? So, what I did for the online store, since we only cater domestic shipping, since we currently don't cater international shipping for the store that I created, and just click on the three dots menu on the right side and then click on it, and then you have the option to edit or delete, so you just need to click on delete. So here for domestic, I have currently Philippines, so we ship nationwide, so for the whole country and the Philippines. And here, so for example, for standard shipping, if you want to add another rate here, you can just click on for standard shipping. You can have, let's say, 100 pesos, Philippine peso here. And then for it not to be double, you just need to uh, go to the three bars menu and then just remove the first or the default standard rate that was created. You can click on start shipping to more places, and then it will go route you to the markets, and it provides you information whether international or Philippine markets. So here, if you wanna manage the shop location, but we currently are online store, so we don't need to do that. So if you want to create a zone, you can input as a zone name. For example, let's say Cebu, and then we put the below the zone name as the country or what region. So let's say Philippines. I click on it and just hit undone. Since this is already on the current zone that we have, we are not able to apply this for creating a new shipping zone. So we can just go ahead and click on done or just cancel, or just click on the X button or exit button. And then from here, as I mentioned earlier, since this was the standard or the default one, we can just click on the three dots button and click on delete. So what we have here is the standard rate for domestic shipping for the item. So we can just click on save once done. Okay, so here we go back to the shipping and delivery page. Then we can create a shipping profile. For example, what the name of the product is. So for local delivery, since we do delivery, since it's an online account, we just need to toggle this on since we cater this type of delivery method. Here provides the zone, and then you need to input the postal code, and you can also put the minimum price. For example, for a total of $1,000, the shipping fee would be zero. So you can input the description here if the amount of the checkout or the total amount of checkout will reach $1,000, the shipping or delivery fee would be for free. Okay. Once you have that inputted, you can also have other options that you can customize here, like shipping packages, like add a package and how accurate the rate would be for the checkout, like packaging slips or labels. And that's about it. That's how you will be creating or setting up the shipping and delivery for your online store. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.